If your primary love language is acts of service, you feel especially loved when someone pitches in to help you, perhaps running errands or household errands. You feel most loved when someone helps you carry out your responsibilities or makes your life easier. This could include simple chores like laundry or taking out the trash that requires some combination of planning, time, effort, and energy. The question to ask is, does this make this person's life easier? A great example is a mom I know. She confided that she hated Mother's Day. They would plan a brunch for her, but then she would have to spend all this time cleaning up and going to buy the stuff so her kids could do it. It ended up being really stressful. So, does it make that person's life easier, or does it give them more work to do? Want answers? Send your questions, comments, and thoughts about life to universe@thelinlife.com. Thank you so much for listening to the Lin Life Universe. I hope you've been enjoying it. Please leave a review.